For its one-year program that provides a mixture of the practical skills and theory. Its emphasis on understanding an international business environment through real-life examples, and also the fact that we are learning from the internationally recognized professors. I like the international environment and also the location of the university. I learn how to work well in the teams from different backgrounds, and this program also helped me to better understand the international business environment through real-life examples. To be patient and believe in your goals. I'm considering staying in international business environment or in marketing management.